Hello guys, welcome to Vikrant Tech, and today we have the new machine. This is Iceriver Ks2. This is a kaspa miner which works on K heavy hash algorithm, and it mines kaspa coin. The hash rate of this machine is 2 terahash and the power consumption of this machine is 1200 watt. As for the today's date as concerned, this machine is generating a profit of around $47 per day. And so guys, this is the front profile of the miner. This is our control panel in the front, which have Ethernet port, SD card, IP report button and the reset button. This is the left profile of the miner. This is the right profile, and this is the back profile. So this is the interface of the cable which we will connect in the miner here, and we will connect the LAN cable in the Ethernet port of the miner. Now the cable setup of this machine is completed. Let's boot the miner. So guys, this is the list of top 10 kaspa pools. F2 pool, hum pool, kaspa pool or Gantt pool. You can choose any of them and configure your machine on the desired pool. Now we have booted the miner. Let's wait for 5 minutes. Guys, you can use the software advanced IP scanner in order to find the IP of the miner. So guys, we have found the IP. Once you enter the IP in the Google Chrome browser, it will show a pop-up like this, and it will ask for the username and password. For the username and password, the default username password for the all Iceriver machines are username is admin and the password is 12345678. So once we click on login page, we will go to the console page of the machine. So on the left side we have home, mining settings, IP settings, user settings and firmware upgrade. So we need to go to the mining settings and we need to configure the miner on hum pool or the list of the pools which I showed you. Now we have configured the miner on the Vikrant Tech, and let's wait for the miner to give the hash rate on the dashboard, and I'll explain you the dashboard one by one once we have the hash rate here on the screen. So there are 4 hash boards on this machine, and there are 4 fans on the bottom side for which the speed is automatically adjusted by the control board. The miner is running from past 2 minutes, but the hash rate is showing 0. So we have to wait around 10 minutes in order to see the hash rate on the screen. Guys, if you want to purchase this miner, you can head over to our website vikranttech.in and you can click on contact us, and you can submit your mobile number, your name and whatever the model you need, and we will try to get back to you as soon as possible. So guys, as you can see, the miner is running from past 7 minutes and we have the hash rate, and the miner is working 2462 gigahash, which means it's working on 2.4 terahash as of right now. So the 24-hour average hash rate on this machine will be around 2 terahash. On the lower side, there are 4 hash boards on this machine. Each hash board is working perfectly fine, and the outlet temperature is less than 35. Guys, you need to make sure that outlet temperature should be less than 80 in long run for all mining machines, and the fan speed is automatically adjusted. So now the machine is working perfectly fine. 5-minute hash rate is normal, fan speed is normal, miner temperature is normal. Let's go to the miner and see which lights are blinking on the miner control panel. So guys, as you can see, the green light is blinking on the miner, which means the miner is working perfectly fine. There is a solid red light and green light on the left side, and the miner is working perfectly fine. You need to make sure that hot air is going directly outside the room and there is a proper cross ventilation while you are running the mining machines, and your voltage should be stable 230 volts stable, because if the voltage is not stable, it will damage the power supply in the long run. Guys, if you have any questions, you can comment down below and I'll answer the same. Thank you very much.